Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to book vacation rentals on Airbnb. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or an extended stay, knowing how to navigate Airbnb's booking process will help you secure the perfect accommodation quickly and efficiently. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and head over to Airbnb.com. Once you're on the homepage, look toward the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the Login button. Click on it and enter your account credentials to access your Airbnb profile. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one first, but the process is straightforward and only takes a minute. Now that you're logged in, you'll see the main search interface right on the homepage. In the location search box, type in your desired destination. This could be a specific city, neighborhood, or even a landmark. Airbnb's search is pretty flexible, so just enter where you want to go. Next, you'll need to select your travel dates. Click on the check-in and check-out date fields, and a calendar will appear, allowing you to choose your exact dates. This ensures you only see properties available during your trip. After setting your dates, click on the guests field and specify how many people will be staying. This is important because it filters out properties that can't accommodate your group size. Once you've entered all this information, hit the red search button. This will pull up all available vacation rentals that match your criteria. To refine your results even further, click on the filters button. Here you can narrow down options by price range, property type, specific amenities like Wi-Fi or a pool, and you can even check the instant book option if you want properties you can book immediately without waiting for host approval. These filters save you time by showing only what truly fits your needs. Browse through the listings that appear and click on any property that catches your eye. This opens up the full listing page where you can view detailed photos, read guest reviews, check the house rules, and see exactly what amenities are included. Take your time here to make sure the property meets your expectations. When you've found the perfect rental, click either reserve or request to book depending on whether it's an instant book property or requires host approval. You'll then see a summary page showing your booking details, the total price breakdown, and the cancellation policy. Review everything carefully to avoid surprises. If you'd like to introduce yourself or ask the host any questions, you can write a message in the provided field. Finally, click Confirm and Pay or Request to book to finalize your reservation. Once completed, check your email for a booking confirmation, and you'll also find your complete trip itinerary in your Airbnb account under Trips. Thanks for watching.